Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please and please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Okay, so today we are going to be learning how to create stunning and attractive thumbnail using AI. So we are going to be using chat GPT. Okay, so here we are. So this is the prompt I used. Based on trendy viral AI YouTube thumbnails, give me three killer viral AI thumbnails. So the title is get 4,000 watch hours fast. Okay, so I said include elements such as color, text, human face, and all of that. So this is the prompt we're going to be using. So I'm just going to send this to chat GPT to help me generate um thumbnail, like give me the prompt for the thumbnail. Okay, so I want it to give me prompt for the thumbnails, and these are the prompts it gave me. Number one, the shocked YouTuber strategy. Two, the countdown timer trick. Three, the exploding growth concept. So now I'm just going to be choosing one of the numbers I want it to generate for me. So it said, would you like me to generate any of these as actual images? So I said yes, number three. So I just told it number three that it should help me generate this number three prompt to an image, and let's see what it gave me. Wow, so this is what AI gave me. So this is a thumbnail generated by AI. Okay, so let us see. AI from 0 to 4,000 hours YouTube partner. Just okay, let's just look at it, just see it, let it load so that we can see it up close. Okay, so this is how it looks. Wow, is this not just beautiful? This is not just beautiful, this is generated by AI. Oh, like this is just lovely. In case you don't really know how to generate, you don't really know how to design your thumbnail, you can just do this. So I told it to generate number two for me as well. Let me see, generate number two please. So I sent that to it again. So this was what it generated for me for the number two prompt that it gave me, right? So this is it. This is not just beautiful. So if you're not really like a graphic designer and you don't really know how to, create your thumbnail, you can just write out a very good prompt on thumbnail, or just tell it to write out a prompt for you the way I did, and then to bring out up to this amount of prompt, and then you can just choose one that you can use for your thumbnail. Just give it the title, and then you can choose the one you want for your thumbnail. Okay, so now I want us to try this out in Image FX. So I'm just going to tap on one of it. So I'm going to select text and just copy. I think okay, let me copy number three. I'll copy number three, and then we'll be going to another AI. This is an AI website. We'll be going there to try to see another thumbnail that can generate for me. So just tap on google.imagefx. Can you see what I'm typing? Google.imagefx. Once you tap on that, you will see it and it will bring you here. So this is it, Google Labs. So just tap on that and let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is it. So I'm just going to what we copied from ChatGPT, we are going to paste it here. That number three. So I'm just going to paste it here, which I've done. So now let me just take a look at it and edit to see if there's anything I need to edit on this. So this number three, let's remove number three from there. Yes. Then I'm going to tap, let me see. I'm going to write generate it, so that anyway, let's just say generate it. So now I'm going to tap on that yellow star kind of thing. So it's going to load. So let's see what this image FX will give us, the kind of thumbnail it will give us. Wow, just see the thumbnail now. See fine thumbnail from 0 to 4,000 hours. Okay, so let's see. Some of this AI, they can also make mistakes, so you have to really look at it well to know, check out the spellings and all of that. Like this one, now look at the hours, they didn't really spell oh, it's omitted from that. So this is really nice, so you can AI has made things really easy for us. So it has up to for this it has up to four that you can pick out from. So this is a free version. Of course, you can upgrade your own by paying for it and all of that. So now you can download it at that center there. So you can download it. Now let's go back to our, so this is how to use the image FX. Now let's go back to our chat GPT. So this is easy, but me, I prefer this one or chat GPT. I prefer this first one. I don't know why. I don't know about you. Which one do you prefer? I prefer this first one. So this is how to generate your thumbnails using AI. This is how to generate your thumbnails using AI. So is this not just nice? This is not just wonderful. So AI is really, trying, doing their best and all of that. So please subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to this channel. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Please